welcome you all in this session of computer in which we are still on chapter 1 eras and the classification of computer. Right, in this we have seen few eras of computer. We began with the manual era in which we read about the first so-called computer called abacus. Then Napier bones and slide rules, we also read that slide rule were used for landing on the moon. Then Pascaline, then Leibniz calculator and all those things. We also read about Charles Babbage, who developed a difference engine which was capable of performing automatic multi-step calculations. Right? We also studied about Bell Relay and Mark I computer. Right? Now we move ahead from that and we come to the electronic era. Right? In which the first computer is ENIAC. ENIAC. See children, we are at this point right now. Right? Okay. In 1946, an all-electronic version of Mark I called Electronic Numerical Integrated and Calculator. Right? See the first letter of these four words, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. ENIC. That is the name of this. Was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. It was the first large-scale fully electronic computer installed at Maryland to cater the military needs. मतलब बेसिकली इसको जो बनाया गया था वो मिलिट्री की नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए बनाया गया था. राइट 1946 में, जो कि वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद का समय है, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के, और इसको मिलिट्री नीड्स को कैटर करने के लिए, बिकॉज इन मिलिट्री वी रिक्वायर कैलकुलेटर कंप्यूटर फॉर controlling many activities, right? Then came EDVAC. The basic behind the stored program digital computer was developed by Dr. John von Neumann, and in 1952 by using the concept of stored program, John von Neumann with his collaborator H. Goldstein designed electronic discrete variable automatic calculator, EDVAC, right? It was John von Neumann who introduced the idea of storing both instructions and data in the binary form. Means now the need of storing data was felt. So EDVAC computer were developed by John von Neumann in 1952, and here both instructions and data both were stored in binary form. Binary digits, they are 1 and 0. The binary form is composed of a written set of instructions or oral instructions by by digits 1 and 0. Right? Then came UNIVAC, UNIVAC, the Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC was first digital computer produced by many companies like IBM, Universal Accounting Company, General Electronic Corporation, etc. It was first commercial large-scale digital computer produced in 1991. Right? Okay, let me see. Right? So this was the first large scale digital computer, right, which was produced, right? और इसमें सब काफ़ी facilities थी, more than ENIAC as well as EDVAC, right, which we will study. Now we come to classification of computers. Right? Now computer is divided into many subtypes depending upon the ways the data can be handled. Computer are basically classified into three categories. डेटा की इम्पोर्टेंस अब पूरे वर्ल्ड ने फील करी, और डेटा को जिस तरीके से हैंडल करना है उस तरीके से कंप्यूटर को क्लासीफाई किया गया. अब सबसे पहले इसको थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया: एनालॉग, डिजिटल एंड हाइब्रिड. right? Analog, digital and hybrid. Now you can then the digital computers can further be categorized depending upon the purpose they do and based on their size and performance. The exhaustive classification tree of computers can be defined as below. Now ये चार्ट देखिए जो यहाँ पे बना है, यहाँ पर in this chart here this. Now here computer is classified on certain parameters like first was data handling, then size, purpose. See, analog, digital and hybrid, right? In three parts data handling was divided. Then digital was divided into two parts, purpose wise, size and performance wise. Purpose further divided into two parts, specific, general purpose. Then size and performance wise divided into embedded, micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputer. Micro, which is most extensively used, is divided into desktop and mobile computers. Now desktop, single unit as well as nettop, and mobile computers, laptop, tablet, smartphones and PDA, personal digital, right? Okay. Now types of computer according to the data they handle or process. First is analog, are those computers in which data or number is represented in the form of continuously varying physical quantities such as pressure, temperature, voltage, current, etc. Application area. Application areas, speedometer of a car, gasoline pump. Now सबसे पहला आया एनालॉग कंप्यूटर. इसमें यहाँ पे जो नंबर्स होते हैं वो वैरी करने लगते हैं कंटिन्यूसली वेरिंग फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के फॉर्म में, लाइक प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर, इन सबको मेजर करने के लिए. देन केम डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स. सी चिल्ड्रन, वी आर हियर एट दिस पॉइंट. Digital computers are those computers that solve problems by operating on discrete data. ये वो होते हैं जो कैलकुलेशन वगैरह करते हैं, right? These they do some calculation work. Okay, right. Representing variables by performing arithmetic and logical processes on data form stored program, right? स्टोर्ड प्रोग्राम से जो डेटा मिलता है उससे ये कैलकुलेशन वगैरह करते हैं. डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स काउंट थिंग्स, राइट? नाउ एप्लीकेशन एरिया, होम, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, ऑफिस, scientific field, business, etc. Now C is hybrid computers. Hybrid means a combination of both analog as well as digital, or analog computers controlled by digital computers instead of human beings, right? Application areas are hospitals, meteorological. In hospitals also the computer से बहुत सारी रिपोर्ट्स निकाली भी जाती है और कैलकुलेशंस भी किए जाते हैं, राइट? एज वेल एज बहुत सारे टेस्ट भी किए जाते हैं. Now types of digital computer according to the purpose they are used for. First is special purpose computer. They are designed to do a specific task. The program or instructions to carry out specific task are permanently stored in the machine, right? ये कोई एक स्पेसिफिक टास्क के लिए होते हैं काम, हो वो काम ये मशीन में स्टोर रहता है कि क्या करना है. कंप्यूटर फॉर मिलिट्री एप्लीकेशन और कंप्यूटर एट बिलिंग काउंटर. Second, general purpose computers. They are designed to solve wide variety of problem having different set of inputs. For example, computer of for banking, sales, analysis, right? They are general purpose. ये बहुत सारे purposes इनसे solve हो सकते हैं, right? Now types of digital computers according to size and performance, right? यहाँ पर हम size कोई कंप्यूटर बड़ा से छोटा और परफॉर्मेंस यानी स्पीड और क्या कैसे काम करते हैं उस हिसाब से इनको डिवाइड किया गया. फर्स्ट वाज एम्बेडेड कंप्यूटर्स आर डिजाइन टू बी यूज्ड within the circuit of applications such as television, washing machines, refrigerator, bike, etc. Second is microcomputer. Now embedded computer आपने देख you would have seen in various electronic devices like oven. It is there, timer आपने लगा दिया तो वो कैलकुलेट वो उस हिसाब से ओवन को सेट करता है. right? Microcomputers, this is very important because they are the most generally used computers, are designed to be used by single user for performing basic operation like educational activities, playing games. They are mainly used in homes, offices, shops, schools, etc. Right? Means generally these are used. Now microcomputers are of two types. First is desktop, जो टेबल के ऊपर हम लोग रखा हुआ देखते हैं in school, in computer lab, etc. They are meant to be used on tabletops. They have CPU, central processing unit, monitor, a keyboard and a mouse. Single unit computer and net-top computers are two subtypes of desktop computer, right? Now we come to the second part, mobile computers. These can be carried anywhere. These are invariably popular due to their small size and portability, right? Mobile computers हम कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं because size छोटी होती है. These are of following types: laptop, which is notebook. The microprocessor, screen and keyboard a, from a large unit in laptop. Their screen is thin and these operate on battery. Right? Tablets, they're easy to identify. They come without a keyboard and a mouse and are operated via touch screen. You can use your finger or a pen like device to work on a tablet workstations, right? ये small छोटे छोटे tablets होते हैं, हाथ में ले करके इनको वर्क किया जाता है. आपके मोबाइल जो उससे थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, right? Okay. Now the third is smartphones, right? Or your mobiles. These phones are wireless and give internet connectivity. These days smartphones are made with a large number of features which make them extremely user friendly and popular. Means ये मोबाइल गेम भी खेल सकते हैं, कॉल भी कर सकते हैं, मैसेज भी भेज सकते हैं. You can do a lot of things. And that is why we love using mobiles. Now fourth, programmable computers or personal digital assistant, PDA. PDA are designed to carry out day-to-day tasks, relative sharing or exchange of information by connecting to a desktop computer, right? They are used as notepad and now we come to mini computers. They are more powerful computer than microcomputer in terms of processing power and capabilities. They are generally multi-user, right? ये micro से superior होते हैं. Then mainframe, they are designed to handle large volume of data and information. राइट, ये जो है और भी ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन हैंडल करते हैं. दे आर मल्टी यूज़र एंड मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टम्स. दीज आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. एंड देन वी कम टू द लास्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, विच इज़ सुपर कंप्यूटर. दे आर डिज़ाइन टू बी यूज फॉर डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंप्यूटेशंस दैट ऑल्सो इन मिनिमम पॉसिबल टाइम. मतलब ये आप लोगों ने मंगलयान जो मूवी देखी होगी, उसमें ये जो यान भेजा गया था वो पूरी प्रोग्रामिंग सुपर कंप्यूटर्स पे हुई थी. तो वहाँ पे तो आप सोच सकते हो इतनी बड़ी जो डिस्टेंस होगी वहाँ पे छोटी छोटी कैलकुलेशंस बहुत तेज होकर करनी होती है. तो वहाँ पर सच कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड. दे आर द फास्टेस्ट, द लार्जेस्ट एंड मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव डिजिटल कंप्यूटर अवेलेबल टुडे. They are best used in weather forecasting, nuclear science, aerodynamics modeling, right? Now Param series by CDAC, Center for Development Advanced Computing, processor for aerodynamic computation and evaluation by Anurag, based on advanced numerical research and analysis, are supercomputers produced by India, right? These are the two computers produced by us. So up till now we have seen about the early man using to count with stones, pebbles, fingers, then abacus, then we came John Napier's bones, Pascaline, Charles Babbage came, then ENIAC was the ENIAC was invented by John Prosper Eckert and John McCarthy, then analog, digital and hybrid computers, and their further classification from micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputers. With that we come to the end of this chapter, right? You have to do these exercises which are there, right? And I hope you had enjoyed as much as I did in making this video and teaching you. Thank you and goodbye.